Hello everyone and welcome. Today I'm going to present to you an ancient recreation, one of the many bracelets of the King Tutankhamun. This is known as the Wadjet bracelet, and by far one of my favorite of his collection. Though the original is made of gold, mine is a replica in sterling silver. My goal in recreating ancient Egyptian art is to achieve the highest standard of replication of these individual pieces. And today I am very proud to show you the accomplishment that took almost 3 months to put together by painstaking organization in order to achieve this level of quality, or as we call it, museum quality piece. First, let me show you how this piece is opened with a traditional clasp pin, which is inserted between the clasp and the main frame. By removing the pin, you could see how the bracelet disassembles, and showing the complete extension of the piece, as you can see here. This is the length of the piece in its entirety, measuring 7 3/4 inches long. The minute beads have a diameter of 2 millimeters, but could have a length between 2.5 to 4 millimeters long. The composition of the beads are sterling silver with Lapis Lazuli with turquoise and red jasper. The beads were strung together with white fine silk thread. The small beads combined with the silk threading gives the bracelet a very smooth and snake-like comfortability and movement. Here on the back of the casing, you can see the throne name of the king of Tutankhamun and the many titles that are attributed to him, with blessings as well. Some of the detailed carvings on the back are meant to duplicate what is represented on the stone in the front of the piece. Here's a side view demonstrating the thickness of the piece and the clasp in which the attachment is added to the pin. Here I am demonstrating how the pin is inserted inside the actual clasp. The most difficult part when recreating the piece was the large Carnelian Eye of Horus, or the Wadjet. It took approximately 7 days to carve out the stone from a single slab of carnelian. It took a lot of patience and great attention to detail to avoid the stone from cracking during the carving process. The stringing of the beads took approximately 1 day. Also, meticulous attention was taken to make sure that all the beads were the same length and size to give it a uniform look, as you can see here, as well as making sure that the piece was nice and fitted so the pieces can come together very tightly and leave no loosage. Here you can see me wearing the bracelet. It's a bit tight on me since it has the dimensions more fitted for a female wearer. By removing the pin, you can see how the actual clasp is removed. Here is a female arm who is wearing the piece. You can see that it is a little more comfortable and loose on the wrist. It can descend down to the forearm, and it can be worn comfortably as well. Once again, you can see how the beads are uniform and fit comfortably and properly together in order to create that beautiful and uniform look. For more information regarding the piece and its creation, as well as the number and quantity of the stones and measurements, please have a look at the description. I would say that this is my most proudest piece by far. The level of complexity regarding threading and carving of the stone and the assembly of the pieces really challenged me this time in order to create something very unique and of high quality. I want to thank everyone who followed along in the adventure of recreating this unique and beautiful piece. If you have any questions or comments regarding this beautiful bracelet and its creation, please let me know, and I'll be happy to reply back.